All right, guys, welcome back. Look what we got here. My first booster box. I have gotten pretty much plenty of other things, but so far I haven't gotten the actual booster box. I've gotten the singles and the single packs. So maybe that's why I haven't pulled any of the hit cards yet. Trying to do it in singles is very hard. I heard what 6 is supposed to come in here, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. We're gonna open this one last. Alright, let's start with you, me friend.
I devised a deal. I'll charter that flight to the North Pole, but Dongle stays with me to make 10,000 tours of profit.
What? No, we're not leaving Dongle.
Go save your brother with the handsome face that would be better wearing glasses. Dongle will catch on.
You sure?
Merry Christmas. You press that button. Dongle will get you out of the mostly
Okay.
that will be where the button is of most use.
Thank you, Dongle.
Okay.
How do you
Ooh.
the actual real North Pole?
All right. I like it so far. All right, we're gonna do pack number 2. Pack number 2. Okay. Let's see. Oh, nope, upside down.
And Santa said, thanks, Tippy Tappy Slappy. But I'm not Tippy Tappy Slappy. I'm Tippy Tappy Slappy.
I just pulled some of these cards. Our first one. Okay. Oh, wait. That was our first one for Shallow. Oh, so that was the last one we had. Oh, I couldn't even really tell. Oh, that's it. Okay, let's see what we got. I'm not gonna lie, lately I've been like so deflated opening like these packs, man. I'm like, something gotta be coming for me. You know, I'm like, I open up a lot on this channel. I'm like, when am I gonna get my big hit? Guys, I want to remind you, please like, comment, and subscribe, and follow if you're not already following me. We're going to do a giveaway for a pack of Mega Evolution on the 8th. Let's see. Senseless. Ooh, all that. This is a nice hollow. That was one of the things I liked about like this box. I don't know if I pulled that already, so I gotta go and check. But I don't know if I did tell you guys. I'm trying to complete the whole set for Mega Evolution, so we'll see how that goes. Second pack.
I can't believe it.
I know. He teleported to a sleigh that would have taken him like 2 minutes to walk to. Explains the,
No, I can't believe he's gone. Santa can't go on the naughty list. He's Santa.
Why does it feel like a man cave on Mother's Day in here? A reorg like this usually takes weeks. We should be
Okay.
celebrating. Get
And boom. All right, more shadow. And I pulled all these cards already on this one. So I don't know, man. And this box was $60. So we got 2 more packs left.
What about Santa? And what's gonna happen with Christmas?
These elves got it covered.
It's a little tight.
Really?
This was about getting recognition for making the toys. Delivering them, that's Santa's thing. 'Cause, the sleigh.
This isn't a Santa problem. It's a simple logistics problem. Stacy, call in the paper pushers.
Simmons, Hendershot, on my location.
Is this the secret Christmas party? Bring on the Nog! Nog! I got something better than Nog. We're gonna solve Christmas toy delivery logistics.
Love this card.
One fire dog coming up.
Okay, Iron Defender, Bulbasaur. Oh, Mega Kangaskhan, full art, baby. Finally. Was this the one? I think I might have pulled. I know I pulled one in a previous video. I don't remember which one of them that I pulled. So I'm probably gonna have to do a little research and go back and see. And I did say I would do this one last. I don't know. I have a good feeling about this one.
Roasting hot dogs on a fire. Is that last year's bundle of coal? Doesn't that taste like
West Virginia? Oh, yeah.
been so not?
Papa Noel? Get rid of this idea that
Oh.
naughtiness is bad. Naughty living is very healthy and very normal.
What? You just
Got my veggies in the naughtiest possible way. Nice neat naughtiness. Like Night Needs Day and turtles need shells hide their eyes during scary movies.
Let's go, baby. Last pack magic. Last pack magic. Okay. 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 All right, switch. Ooh, yes. Yes. Oh. Okay. But we got a full art on that one. All right. We didn't get any of the hit cards, but we got a pretty few nice cards. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Maybe I'll be better on my next box that I open. We'll see.